Google has unveiled a groundbreaking new AI called Vault Gemma. This isn't just another large language model. It's a 1 billion parameter powerhouse. And what makes it truly revolutionary is its commitment to privacy. Imagine an AI trained on trillions of words from the internet, but engineered from the ground up to never accidentally memorize sensitive personal details. The secret lies in a technique called differential privacy. Essentially, every time the AI learns, a tiny bit of controlled randomness is introduced. This allows the system to grasp broad patterns, like what a phone number looks like, without ever being able to recall a specific, actual number or email. It's a massive step towards building AI that respects your data, even when learning from the vast, unpredictable expanse of the internet. Trained on a staggering 13 trillion tokens, using over 2,000 of Google's most advanced AI chips, Vault Gemma demonstrates that it is entirely possible to create incredibly powerful AI while safeguarding individual privacy at its core. Next, prepare for a global shift in how AI understands human language. For years, multilingual AI has been dominated by models with a strong English bias. That era is officially over. Researchers at Johns Hopkins have just unleashed MMBERT, a truly unprecedented multilingual AI. This model was trained on 3 trillion tokens of text from an astonishing 1,833 languages, essentially covering almost every human tongue on Earth. Unlike its predecessors, English made up only a small fraction of its training data at certain stages, ensuring that smaller languages weren't overshadowed. MMBERT's architecture is both lean and incredibly powerful, capable of processing over 8,000 words of context at once, far surpassing older models. The results are nothing short of incredible. It not only matches top English-only models, but also surpasses competitors, including OpenAI's GPT and Google's Gemini, on rare languages. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of multilingual AI, making it faster, more powerful, and genuinely inclusive of the world's diverse linguistic landscape. Now, let's turn our attention to the fascinating world of voice AI, where a California startup called TwinMind is making waves with their new model. Ear 3. They're claiming it's the most accurate, affordable, and wide-reaching speech recognition system available, and the numbers back them up. Ear 3 boasts an incredibly low word error rate of just over 5%, significantly outperforming rivals that are often above 8%. For anyone needing precise transcripts, from medical professionals to legal teams, this means thousands fewer mistakes. What's more, its speaker separation capabilities are equally impressive, making it easier to distinguish who's speaking in complex conversations. Ear 3 also supports over 140 languages, far more than most competing services. And here's the kicker. It costs a mere 23 cents per hour of transcription, making high-quality speech recognition more accessible than ever. By cleverly combining open-source models and meticulously fine-tuning them with human-labeled audio, Ear 3 represents a new benchmark for speech-to-text technology, promising clearer communication and massive cost savings across countless applications. Finally, let's explore a radical shift in the very foundation of AI, the hardware itself. Microsoft has unveiled a prototype computer that doesn't rely on traditional electronics at all. Instead, it computes using beams of light. Imagine information traveling at the speed of light, with almost no energy wasted, processing data through flashes and pulses of brightness. This analog optical computer, or AOC, uses micro-LEDs and camera sensors to calculate, changing light intensities and feedback loops until it settles on an answer. Because it avoids the constant conversion between analog and digital signals, Microsoft claims it could be up to 100 times more efficient than current chips for certain problems. They've already demonstrated its capabilities in tasks like image classification, brain scan reconstruction, and even financial optimization. Problems where it surprisingly outperforms some quantum computers. While still a prototype, this light-based computing technology hints at a future where AI systems are not only faster, but also vastly more energy efficient, fundamentally changing how we approach complex computations and potentially solving some of AI's biggest environmental challenges. So, what do these breakthroughs tell us? They reveal an AI landscape that is evolving at an astonishing pace, not just incrementally, but through Fundamental redesigns, from ensuring our privacy in an AI-driven world, to breaking down language barriers across cultures, to making speech recognition virtually flawless and affordable, and even to reimagining the very hardware that powers it all. These innovations are laying the groundwork for a future we've only just begun to imagine. The question is no longer if AI will transform our world, but how profoundly and in what unexpected ways it will continue to do so. The next era of artificial intelligence isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's more exciting than ever. What do you think about these incredible advancements? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.